to the right there. There's a car here.
Is this going down to Whitton?
I think so.
Yeah. I don't like that bus lane. I never know when to use it and when not to use it.
But keep it to the right there. There's a car here. Slow down, use your brakes. Okay, how many lanes are here right now?
2.
Okay, just keep focusing now. So what's happening at the bottom of the bus lane there?
It's merging.
Okay. Good. We'll talk about
After
this bus lane
300
later.
yards, turn right.
Is it the bus lane?
Mm-hmm.
Was I supposed to turn into the bus lane?
So when we started our lesson today, I don't know if I remind you or not, I told you your weaknesses, but so far there's another weaknesses you need to work on, which is for looking for your signs.
Yeah. No, I read the sign. It said 7:30 to 9.
Okay, and what else it says?
What else did it say? That's when it's in use.
Okay, what about the days? What was said on the days? Did you read that?
I think it was Monday to Friday.
That's correct. So
Yeah.
you read it.
Yeah.
So Monday to Friday. What day is today?
It's Friday. Yeah.
What time?
It's 12-ish.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when it says Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 9 a.m., what is the 7 to 9 a.m. means for you?
That means because it's 12, it's fine, we can go in it.
So what about 7 to 9 a.m.? Can we use that time or not?
No, that's when we can't use it.
That time is a working hours for the bus lane.
Yeah.
After 9 a.m., there is no other timing there.
Mm-hmm.
So that means after 9 a.m., that bus lane is
A normal lane.
is just a normal lane.
Yeah.
Now, if you're driving into a single lane, and single lane will become 2, and they're both going in the same direction, would you gonna drive on the right lane or would you gonna stay in the left lane?
The left lane, because the right's for overtaking.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what do you think we did over there then? So we should have been on which lane?
On the left lane.
Now, that one thing, so you should have been on the left lane.
Yeah.
Now, because you were not anticipating anybody else using it, as you start driving, what happened to that car over there?
Got
Why?
really close.
So what do you think I have to do that time?
Yeah, to
Why do you think I have to intervene? Were you anticipating anybody else going to be using that?
No.
That's the reason, because you
Yeah.
thought it's only
I was
for...
at bus lane, yeah. Because I did read the sign. I think I just didn't.
Yeah, but this is the whole
Actually,
point.
Yeah.
And that is why doing the lessons like this, which help you to understand what to be doing.
Yeah.